In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Figma prototype in Behance. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open Figma and of course your prototype. I have this one over here, and then you simply want to go to the top right, click on Share, and from here you want to click on Get Embed Code. When you do that here, you're going to get a code like this. This is your embed code. You want to highlight it and click on the copy button. That's the first thing you have to do. The second one is of course sign into your Behance account, go to the top right where it says Share Work and hover over it, and then click on Build a complete case study or project. So click on here. And whenever you do this, here on the right, you'll see there's a bunch of different content options. What you want to do is click on prototype either here or here. So click on that, and as you can see, you can share from Figma, etc. So just paste in your code, right click and paste, or Control and V on your keyboard. And then here you can just click on the embed button. You're going to have to wait for a few seconds for this to actually embed. Usually it's quite quick. This blue line has to come to the end up top, and then you'll see your prototype in here just like this, okay? Of course, you can zoom in, zoom out, whatever. Whenever you've done this, you want to go to the bottom here. You can of course attach assets, stuff like that. I'm just going to click on continue, and you're going to have to give it a name. So I'm going to name this one Figma project, for example, like this. You have to give it a few tags. I'm just going to name this one design, and then I'm going to also put in like maybe like graphic designer, etc. Okay, you could do whatever here, and you want to select your category. So how do you categorize? I'm going to put this as graphic design. Again, with you, it depends on what you're doing. Then tools used here, I'm going to put in Figma. Of course, you can put in different ones in case they are relevant. And then the visibility, I'm going to leave it as everyone. And then you have additional details like description, licensing, etc. I'm not going to bore you with this right now. You can go and change this if you need to. But what you absolutely have to do is upload the image over here, because without this, you basically won't be able to publish it. So if I click on upload image, I can go and select an image and click on open. So as you can see right now, it says that this one is not big enough. So if that happens to you, you basically can select a different one or create a new one. So what I'm going to do in this case, and what you can do as well if you don't know what to put for the image, I'm just going to go over here inside Figma, and I'm actually going to go and basically screenshot a part of this like that. So let's see if that's going to work. I'm going to save this screenshot. There we go, save. And now I'm gonna go back here, upload the image. Let's see if the screenshot is big enough. It should be. Apparently it's still not. So yeah, in that case, you're gonna need an image which is big enough. I'll just do this now just to not waste your time here. There we go, and we're going to actually try and put this in right now. And now it should be working. Okay, so let me actually see this. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, it's working. So of course then you can scale this if you want to. You can put it whatever. I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to click on crop. There we go. We now have of course our cover, and we have the Figma prototype in here. All you have to do is click on either publish or save as draft. Now again, it's important to put in this image over here or the cover, because if you don't have it, then you won't be able to proceed. Just make sure the dimensions are big enough, otherwise it's not going to work for you. As you were able to see, it didn't work for me either. So click on publish, and there we go. It's going to start publishing your project. And now I can go to top right, hover over my profile, and I can now go and click on Behance profile, and you'll see that in here, there we go, we have my project, my Figma prototype. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.